Where should I spend my time on social media for my business? That's one of the main questions I often get as it relates to social media. And what I'm going to tell you is that you should be, the primary place you should be is where your people are. Where's your perfect customer, your avatar, the demographic that you go after? Because the demographics are different across different social media networks, right? So where are the people that we need to talk to? The people that have the problem or the challenge that my product or service helps actually solve or overcome. So that's the first thing. We have to look at the demographic data of those networks and figure out where our people are. Number two, once we figure out like where's the platform where my people live, let's say it's Facebook. What I'm going to do is I'm then going to implement my 70-20-10 rule. That's what I call it. The 70-20-10 rule means 70% of the time I'm going to spend my time on the platform that means the most to me. That's the platform with my people. That's the platform where I have a built-in audience. I have a huge page. I got an amazing group. I got people that watch my lives, like whatever that may be. It could be Facebook, could be Instagram, could be LinkedIn. It depends again on what the demographic are, what you've already built or what you inspired to build. I'm spending 70% of my time there. I'm going to spend 20% of my time on the next biggest one or the next one I think that has my audience where maybe I think there's an opportunity for me there or maybe something that's emerging, right? And I see an opportunity for me to like get in on the ground level and begin to build something up. And then the last 10%, I'm going to just like take a flyer on something. This is going to be a platform where maybe it's brand new, but I'm going to get a hold of it right before everybody else does. Maybe it's something that we've done and we spent time on, but it's kind of winding down. And I don't just want to totally throw it away. So I'm going to do a minimum level of engagement there. But I'm going to spend some level of time. So 70 on the main one, 20 on the next biggest or the emerging one, right, that you're excited about, and 10 on, something's going to be a long shot that's either new and is coming in or something that's going out, but you don't want to totally leave it and let it go. So 70, 20, 10, and I'm going to throw this in for you as a bonus. People say, well, Lamar, how can I build out and do more around social? And I'll do a whole training on this later. But what I'm going to tell you real quick is that there are 4 C's that you must implement when it comes to traffic, and this particularly comes down when it comes to social media, right? The first C is what? Content. We have to make amazing content. What is valuable content to you and your audience that people will watch, that people will engage with, they'll leave comments on, they'll drop emojis for, they'll give you reactions to, and they'll share it. Most importantly, share it with other people. What kind of content you create. The second C I want you to think about is consistency. How can I consistently create this content over and over and over again so that they know, hey, it wasn't a one-time thing. There are people I love to watch online, and if I got, some downtime, I'm not doing anything, I'm waiting in line somewhere, I'm home, nothing's on TV, right? I'm done working for the day, I need to just recharge. I'll go out and look for those people's platforms. I say, I haven't been in a couple days, so I know there's new content I haven't seen. If I go out and there's nothing new, and I go out again a week later, there's nothing new. I'll go out a third time a week later, there's nothing new. I probably won't go out again. So consistency. How can you show up time and time again for your people and let them know that, hey, when they come to you, because now it's hard to get people to come to you, when they come to you, they'll have new content, you'll have something for them. So the second C, that's consistency. The third C we're going to talk about is creativity. Creativity is what makes you different. What makes your platform different? What makes your voice different? How can you stand out from the crowd? So I want you to think about how can I creatively create the content that I'm being consistent with? And then number 4 is culture. When you bring those 3 together, when you bring content, consistency, and creativity together, that's how you create a culture. A culture, right, is how you define and develop a tribe on social. Right? Like, what is the culture of that movement? Like what do the people do? What do they think? How do they come together? How do they support and rally across and among each other? So those are the 4 C's for social. We talked about it: content, consistency, creativity, and culture. We talked about the 70-20-10 rule and what you can do to leverage that on social media so that you can build better pages, you can build more influence, you can develop a tribe around you, and you can make more money with your business.